In today's video, I am going to teach you create a CRM with Google Sheets plus Gemini AI. We'll build a simple, effective customer relationship manager right inside Google Sheets, then use Gemini-powered tools to organize data, draft follow-ups, score leads, and clean things up quickly. Start by opening a fresh spreadsheet. In your browser, type Sheet, New, and a blank Google Sheet will open instantly. Next, look for the AI tools. In the top right corner of your Google experience, you may see the Ask AI on Google search icon, shown as a spark. Inside Sheets, you may also notice a Help Me Organize button near the search bar. Either one opens a side panel where you can prompt the AI. In that side panel, type a clear request. For example, create a CRM for a real estate business, with columns for name, email, lead source, status, and last contact date. The AI will generate a preview table with those columns, and a bit of sample data so you can visualize the layout. Review the suggestion, tweak the column names if needed, and when it looks right, click Insert to drop the table into your sheet. To keep your CRM clean and consistent, standardize data entry. Go to Data, then Data Validation, and set up a drop-down list for the status column. Add values like lead, in progress, and closed. This prevents typos and makes filtering and reporting more reliable. You can always edit the list later as your workflow evolves. Next, use AI to speed up personalized follow-ups. In the AI side panel, provide context and a concise prompt such as, write a short follow-up email for lead name who is interested in product, but hasn't replied in 2 weeks. The AI will draft a professional note you can adapt to your tone. Keep it short, actionable, and include a clear next step. You can also use AI to prioritize your pipeline with lead scoring. Share your interaction notes in the prompt and ask it to assign a lead score from 1 to 10 based on purchase intent. Briefly explain what makes a lead hot for your business, then capture that score in your sheet to sort and focus on the most promising contacts. Finally, streamline data cleanup with AI-powered Smart Fill. If you have inconsistent capitalization, irregular date formats, or full addresses where you only want the city, Smart Fill can recognize patterns and fill the correct values for the entire column in one go, saving time and reducing errors. That's it, your lightweight CRM is ready to use, organized, and AI-assisted. Thanks for watching.